Interested in a 2009 Holden Commodore? Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Get there fast, it's power-packed, that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, a CD player, a CD stacker, central locking, climate control, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power windows, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.